Praise him, praise him. It's your boy, A Visual by Pearl, and you're now tuned in to another episode of Portraits on a Budget. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. On today's episode, we're going to be showing you just how simple it is to get dramatic portrait shots using one light. A very inexpensive light. A light on a budget, you know? Some of us are light on a budget. So check it out. You can get quality shots using just one light. Stay tuned. Taking some dramatic portrait shots using just one continuous light. We have this light right here. A very, very inexpensive light. I got it off of Amazon. The thing about it is the light bulb that I have in there actually came from Walmart. So it's actually a house light bulb. So it's kind of yellow, but we can fix all that in post. Or you might want it to be yellow like this for the actual shot. I put a diffuser, a filter on it. You wouldn't believe what this actually is. It's actually a coffee filter. So remember I said this is portraits on a budget. So we try to use what we can, you know, without going out and buying all this expensive equipment just to get the shot. So today I'm going to be taking three different pictures. The first two is going to be using this one light. On the third light, I'm actually going to open up this window behind us to get more light on my face into the shot, because we'll be using this as a rim light for my back. So let's get started. I have my camera set up on a tripod, vertical. If you do want to, you know, take the vertical shots as far as self-portraits, you're going to have to get you a tripod that actually flips up. So, you know, very inexpensive. This wasn't an expensive tripod at all. I think it was about maybe no more than $40. I am shooting with the A7 III, Sony A7 III. I almost forgot what it was. This is actually the kit lens that came with the camera. So we're going to get this started. So the first shot I'm going to actually take is going to be just a straight on shot. The light is going to be hitting my face like this, and it's going to be casting. The light's going to be about right here to this side of my face, and then the rest of it will be shadow. We are shooting on the black backdrop. So I like shooting on black or anything, you know what I'm saying, a darker color, because you don't have to worry about a lot of shadows being on your background and all that like that. So it's just much easier to blend the shadows in when you have a darker backdrop. So we are shooting on this. We're not going to be using much space. It's going to be more like close-up shots, just basic shots. Just want to show you what the lighting does. All right, so that's the first shot. Let's see if we can actually see it on the screen so you guys can see it. You see how the light is actually, I don't want to cover up the screen, but you see how it's actually lighting one half of my face, and then the other half is actually casted into the background, into the shadow. So that's the first shot. All right, so on this second shot, I'm going to actually just adjust the camera a little bit, the light a little more to the front of me. And we're going to hit the camera is right in standing with me. So I'm going to hit that. All right. Remember, we're just using one light, just a simple process. You see, as you notice, if you can see, it actually lights a little bit more of this side of my face now. So you can actually see my other eye in this shot. But this is actually one of my favorite shots. Like I said, it's not going to be a long video. I want to get this video done so you guys can actually use what you learned in this video and go out and produce these same shots. And I would like if you guys could send me the link to my email. You know, send me the pictures, whatever that looks like, so I can see what you actually did by using these simple tips. So this last shot, I'm going to actually put the light behind me. I'm going to actually put the light behind me, and I'm going to open up. I'm going to open up this window right here. just to get a little light, just to get a little bit more light into the shot. Gonna actually be, camera, if you can come stand on this side right here. So right there, that's good. It come over just a little more. That's good right there. Thank you so much. So what this is going to be actually doing is going to be lighting me. It's from the back, so it's going to be more of a rim light. And that window light, which that didn't cost me anything. I mean, I bought it with the house, you know. But that window light is going to actually light more of my face, so that you can actually see my face, as well as the rim light. It's going to be a beautiful shot. So check it out. We're going to get this right there. For right there. Much better, much better. So if you look at it, you can see how I'm lit from the window side, and actually you can see the rim light is lighting me from the back to make me stand out from the background. So how was that? Simple, huh? Check this out. Since you're done watching this video, go and get the shot. Also, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell, and share it with somebody. You know, we all want to be able to take quality shots on a budget. God bless.